up? It's Rose here. Welcome back to my channel. And I am very happy today because today it's very sunny and the weather is so perfect because the last 10 days here in Oklahoma was crazy. So it was snowy and it was icy, so it's really not my weather because I'm from the Philippines and Philippines is a tropical country. And yeah, here it was negative 20 degrees. In today's video, we're gonna unbox and try a product which I got from Amazon. And this product, I always wanted to have it because it's like a hair trend, which is the beach wave. So this would be my first time to have a hair iron that's for beach wave. And oh my god, mind this band-aid because I just got my flu shots earlier. And earlier, I braid my hair, so that's why my hair is kind of like frizzy. I mean, it's really dead because imagine I bleached my hair maybe 10 times or 11 times last year. Okay, we're just gonna unbox and curl our hair. Ow! Yeah, curl our hair. Here's my butter knife to open the package. And ta-da! Here's our item. Hair curler. So I actually I purchased 2 items, but for this one I'm gonna make another review. Another video for this review. This is our product. It's hair curler, and I really love the packaging. It's pink and white, and that's my favorite color. And oh my god, this is so cute! I love the color. Ooh, light pink. They also gave us this little paper over here. This is for activation of your 2 years warranty on our website. Oh, you can get 2 years warranty service, test new product, chance for free, 50% off coupon or gift card, and free gift up to $30 on our website. Wow, this is really good. So I will definitely do this after I make this review. But right now, we're gonna focus more on the hair iron. Look at that, it's just so pretty. And here's the switch. Okay, so it just have 2 settings for the hair iron temperature. Have 180 Celsius and 210 Celsius. And yeah, that's it. I thought just something over here, but it's nothing. Just the design, it just said JM. But this is like a clip. And let's damage more of my hair. I'm gonna plug it in now. And I think I will set it to 210 Celsius. So while waiting to start up to heat up our hair iron, I'm gonna put the Reveiw hair protection. This will protect your hair up to 450 Fahrenheit. So even though my hair is really damaged, I still want my hair to get protected. Like that. I do my hair now, and it feels like my hair got thinner from the hair protection spray. And I've been using that hair protection spray for 2 years now because it's really good from Reveiw. And it's not sponsored, by the way. Right now, it feels like it's getting really hot. So what I love for this hair iron is just like a clip. So what we need to do is just take just take a section of your hair and just clip it like that. Just put your hair like that, and maybe set it to like 30 seconds or a minute. Wow, this is so cute. I love it. This is the first beach wave. Oh my god. It's really cute. It's like from 80s like hairstyle.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms.
And we are done curling our hair, and this is the result. I love the back part as well. That looks so cute. Just natural, like beach wave. Oh, especially here in front and on the bangs. And this is my first time to use it. And this hair iron is a miracle, and it's like a magic to me, because just by clipping your hair with this, it will create a nice beach wavy hair. And it didn't take a long time for me to do it, just maybe 15 minutes. Not that expensive, it's only $25, and by that you can have your beach wave hair every day like this. So I will really suggest this product from Amazon. And if you want to purchase this, I have a link down below, so please use that link and when you purchase. And yeah, and that's all for today. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I will upload and unbox more items, and I will gonna try them on. And if you want to get notified, please subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much again for watching, and have a great day. Take care always.